Hey guys, look what we're having. It's ice cream. Oh no, we ran out. Let's make some more. Let's see what ingredients we have in our refrigerator. We have an orange carrot, a brown onion, a red apple, a yellow banana, an orange, green broccoli, white cauliflower, red tomato, purple eggplant, and some cream. We'll need a cutting board and knife to cut our ingredients. Here's an apple to make some apple flavored ice cream. An onion to make some onion flavored ice cream. We're also going to have a yellow banana, and we're going to have some broccoli flavored ice cream with this green broccoli. Here's an orange. We also have a purple eggplant to make some eggplant flavored ice cream. How about some carrot flavored ice cream with this orange carrot? And here's our white cauliflower. For our cauliflower flavored ice cream. And our last ingredient we have is a red tomato. Now that we have all our ingredients cut up, we'll use this ice cream scoop maker to make our ice cream. Whoa! So many scoops of ice cream. Now we'll need to get our ice cream cones from this jar, but first we need to fill it with shapes. Here's a purple triangle, a pink heart, a green star,
the dog takes the cat. Hi ho, the stereo, the dog takes the cat.
a yellow circle,
Takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse. Hi ho, the
and a blue square.
cat takes the mouse.
Now we have 2 ice cream cones. Let's make our ice cream and count how many scoops we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 scoops of ice cream. Whoa! That's a really big ice cream.
Funnest toys.
Look what we have here. It's pizza slices. Can you help me make some pizza? Great. Let's get started. Now we need some pizza toppings. Where do you think we can get some pizza toppings? Maybe they're in our eggs. Here's an orange egg. It's pepperoni. Now let's see what's in our pink egg. It's black olives. I wonder what's in our green egg. It's pineapple. Yellow egg. Purple onions. It's red tomatoes. And we have one more egg. Whoa! Spider-Man egg. It's green broccoli. Awesome pizza! Now let's cut it.
Farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi ho, the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife. Hi ho, the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child. Hi ho, the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse, the child.
Now it's nice and warm.
Hi ho, the dairy-o, the child.
Funnest toys.